You are welcome to my channel, my beautiful viewers, my beautiful subscribers all over the world. Today, let me laugh small. MBAKA said something about Anambra state election, which everybody knows that. Although, if today is the first time you are joining this channel, just please kindly subscribe to the subscribe button and put on notification. Let's support this ministry. You know, I'm always giving you update what is happening. Then he stated a lot about the election of Anambra State. You know, he also pray. You know, he also give advice for those politicians coming to him that they should go and see Nnamdi and make sure that he's released, not to visiting him. Although in this part, what gives me most happiest form is that. He composed a loving song. You know he's a singer. He composed a loving song to Nnamdi. Join it to them because he's indirectly talking to, not indirectly, you know, he always say the truth. Talking to Buhari, you know, telling him that the bone that you think you want to swallow. Let's go to the video. I thank you, all my viewers. Happy viewing. In fact, we are going to watch it together, okay? Then after everything, let's put everything in the comment section. You know, as it be, we talk on comment section. Like this video, share it as well. Support the ministry. Let's go to video.
I am not alone. So what I don't want to accept is, like the people of Anambra preparing for the election now. Hello? The Anambra should know that Father MBAKA has not endorsed any candidate. God has not told me that anybody is going to be the governor in Anambra. I, Reverend Father MBAKA, never for once asked anybody to vote for anybody. Praise the living God. Neither did I, directly or indirectly, endorse any candidate. Even when Governor Ifeanyi Ugwuanyi and Governor Dave Umahi were here, their presence could not insinuate me, nor dribble me into talking about anything political. I speak as the Holy Spirit inspires me. Even 2 weeks before the time, I've told you that the Holy Spirit says that I should not say anything about anything political here, which I maintained. No governor bought me over, as some are trying to insinuate, for nobody can merchandise me. Amuberoya. That person who thinks his money can barbed wire my spiritual activity or motion, that person should go to psychiatric hospital. You should help and protect this man of God. There are vultures everywhere. Predators, snakes, even inside the church. Anything we do here, they must attack it. Nobody can put fear in me. Oh. Obu. Inebu mu mere gini. Imamamu ana-azọ ndị bụ unu ndụ. Ndị mmụọ ozi gaghị eyi unu egwu. Anything good that comes to ndị Anambra will affect the whole Igbo land. Anything evil that happens to ndị Anambra will affect the whole Igbo land. So in case of anybody who thought he has bought me over, he cannot talk about Buhari. Who are you? With how much? Do you know how many people I'm training in the school? Both home and abroad. Do you know how many people I pay for the hospital bills? Both home and abroad. Even organ transplantation exercises. Is it because I'm silent in my own charity? Because I'm under a covenant. Whatever I will not use to do charity and do the work of God here, let it never come to me. So, on the issue of this Nnamdi Kanu, listen, what I'm saying now, I know is going viral. Nnamdi Kanu is a delicate material. Let the federal government handle him with care. There is a kind of bone that you may mistakenly swallow. You have to be careful in bringing it out or in sending it down. No problem. If you want to swallow it, problem. If you want to vomit it, wahala. That is Nnamdi Kanu for you. So we have to be careful. I will rather plead with the governors that came for bazaar. Both my governor, Ugwai, His Excellency, and the governor of Eboy, Dave, and the other governors in Igbo land. You better come together without delaying and have a meeting on how to bring out this bone so that the entire cardiothoracic zones will be preserved, devoid of harm to other sensitive nervous organ. Nnamdi Kanu is like Odudu Bere somewhere. Ị ga-enu ntị n'egwu a m na-agụ kịta. Onye gburu Nnamdi nọ na be ha, ogbuo ya egbu. Nwachukwu ogbuo ya egbu, onye ga-eri ya ogbuo ya egbu. Onye hụrụ Nnamdi nọ na be ha, ogbuo ya egbu. Ogbuo ya egbu, onye ga-eri ya ogbuo ya, onye ga-eri ya ogbuo ya egbu, onye ga-eri ya asị m onye ga-eri ya asị m onye ga-eri ya asị m onye ga-eri ya onye m onye ga-eri ya Nwachukwu onye ga-eri ya asị m onye ga-eri ya onye bugwana ya asị m 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 onye ga-eri ya onye ga-eri ya Nnamdi bụ Nwachukwu asị m onye ga-eri ya onye bụ Nwachukwu onye bụ na Nwachukwu Nnamdi bụ nwanne Nnamdi bụ nwanne onye ga-eri ya onye ga-eri ya Are we going to keep silent because it is in Nnamdi Kanu? You are arrested, no matter the nature of the crime. Nobody should be subdued into such a crisis. How is the person medically handled? Over what? Are they handling his case within the context of Nigerian law? Have they forgotten that there's what is called international law? So my prayer is that Nnamdi will not die in their hand. Because last week now they brought him, we saw him. Listen, if by any carelessness that boy's life is endangered, it may turn into what nobody imagines. Now his case is still within the context of medicine, benign. Let us handle the benign case in a benign manner with wisdom. If we allow this benign case to become malignant, and the malignancy of the situation may metastasize in such a manner that it becomes uncontrollable. Don't throw away my word, because it will always come true. So I am asking President Buhari, for one thing, give amnesty to Nnamdi Kanu. Courageously do it. Rather, give him some conditions. But above all, Nnamdi did not just come down from America, from London, and saw good roads and power everywhere and industries, and our youth working and started talking. Something precipitated that situation. So the government should do what they should do. As I said, there are millions of Nnamdi Kanus. Both those in the military, both those in the police, both those in the Air Force, those in the Naval. There are silent Nnamdi Kanus. Of course, it didn't start with a Buhari. Many past leaders messed us up. Buhari is an unfortunate victim.